Get.
I'll be pink.
Pink.
Be purple.
Pink.
It's the neutral color between red and blue.
Pink.
Okay.
Pink.
So this is.
You understand.
This video is just going to be pretty much about us just
Shooting each other.
Okay.
I'm a noob.
And
This
you-
is how
you are the perfect target.
Because right now this is her training, so that when we go into matchmaking,
What do I do?
you grab weapons. You make weapons. This is Forge. You go into a ball and you freaking grab your weapons.
Oh, I figured out how to shoot. No.
Oh crap! Oh wait.
What's
I can
this?
respawn it. Hold on. I know I wasn't doing this not too long ago.
Assisting you. What's that?
Shit! I just
Oh, whoa.
I
What does
deleted
it-
half the base. Oh well. I'm getting rid of it.
What's this?
But those are spawn points.
Oh, okay.
I'm just getting rid of the base since I accidentally destroyed
What
it.
does this do? Oh, hey, look, a car. Can I drive it? I want to poop. I want this one.
This must be amusing for you people.
Whoa.
I will spawn another health pack just once I've... there we go.
Hold left trigger and you'll boost.
Do not destroy me. I'm trying to get...
Whee!
I'm trying to put
Use
it...
the right and left analog sticks to steer.
There we go.
I flew
Haha!
over my
Yay!
car.
Okay.
Aw.
Let's see. Human.
I couldn't help.
Right.
You look so adorable.
Ah.
I just had to shoot you.
How do I run?
Object options.
Do you not run?
Not
No.
30.
You have to.
Have
The
to
Alma
reach you.
abilities. There you are.
There we go. Spare clips? Yes, 5.
You have to use the right analog stick to
Place.
to steer left and right.
What else do I want? I know you guys.
Oh, I flipped it over again.
You know, should I, Nikki?
Yes.
Hey, come on, dude.
Sorry. It's so. I got a sniper rifle and I'm happy about it.
Yeah, well, I was trying to do
You were?
Yes.
I didn't notice. Oh shit.
I'm bringing the guns on this.
I saw that.
What's this do?
That's a plane.
I can see that.
You can either get in the turrets.
You can get in the turn and I'll fly and re-kill him.
Wait, what? No, no double. No, Jordan.
No! No! They shoot the shit out of me. Well, thanks for revealing yourself.
I am very revealing, aren't I?
I don't want to think about that. How'd you fly?
Push up on the directional keys.
And you become a bomb.
Yeah, you become a little sphere.
That edits shit.
Yeah, exactly.
Whee!
But yes, I'm a
But
very
you have to
revealing.
come out of it. 'cause
I'm
you want
very
to be fair.
revealing.
Whee! Okay. Boink.
We're all scream theaters.
Well, I'll look at like each other.
Oh, hey, look, another one. Whoop. I stole it.
You cannot see me.
I can see Nikki though.
No, I'm like.
What the hell did you do?
I don't know. She just randomly blew up.
Ooh. Doo-dee-doo-doo. Oh, what's this?
That's a different weapon.
Ah, cool! Doo-dee-doo-doo. Ah! Woo!
We are so mean. Just because she's the new meat. Okay.
You gotta take shots too, you know.
Yeah, she does know that she can fight back, right?
Look at him.
You're so easy.
We are so mean. Okay, let's give it at least a chance.
Which means not being in ball form.
Yeah. Shit. Where the hell are you?
Anywhere you don't need me to be.
Anywhere I don't what? I'm confused. somewhere. It's gotta be... Don't. Actually, you know you can hijack vehicles, right?
No.
Yeah, go up to them and press the... Oh, hell no.
Hey,
What do you
cheater,
have?
screen cheater.
And you're not.
I knew you weren't a damn tank.
What's this? Oh.
And I know you...
That's cheating.
I don't care. Ah, shit. I'm a coward. What do you expect? Where's Nikki? She's the only one I can't find, even though I look at her screen constantly.
Oh, there you are. Hi, what's up, Jordan?
What's up?
You're not looking at Jordan.
Ow!
Oh. What the hell? I didn't even hit her. I just shot her. I think I killed... Okay. Well, now I know.
Ooh,
Okay.
Where?
I don't know. I'm looking at a mine. Is that...
Does that count? I don't know.
Oh, Nikki. There she is. There she is. Nikki. Trying to... I want to... Wait, what the fuck?
Hey, that's no fun.
Shit.
That's not even fair.
I call it fair. Like, where's Nikki? Oh, shit. No. No. Bad. Out of my vehicle. Out of the vehicle. Ah, no, John, I know. Ah! No, John, you're an ass.
So you deserve it.
What?
Your ass.
Hey.
You
Hey,
cheater!
How? I'm not a cheetah. I'm an improviser. Nikki's the only one who has not turned into, like, ball.
Hello.
Hey! Don't hurt Nikki!
You're an ass. You hurt her too, you know.
Yeah, but she's my target. Don't go after my target. I see a red dot! There you... No, back off, Mujumbo.
Yeah.
Back
Did you
off.
say Mujumbo?
Yes, I say that a lot.
Ooh, what's this?
I swear to God, man, I'm gonna... No! What? Dude, I see a little red dot. No. Would you stop it?
No!
You're freaking mid. No.
You're an ass.
No.
You're such an ass.
What do you
Coward.
No. Damn it, Joe. Oh, I lost my weapons. You. Ah, man. No, that's not right.
It is right.
Are you-
man.
I get the feeling just looking at my screen right now. Nikki's like the only one who's not trying to kill anybody. She's just going around.
Round and round.
You spin my head right
round,
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 like you're going down, and you go down, down.
Whee!
What? Did you just blow again?
Yes.
Damn, girl.
Who says I'm
Man,
a girl?
you really.
Who says I'm a girl? Ooh, what's this?
Everybody.
Oh, it's sharp and pointy.
And it's pink.
It is.
It's sharp, pointy, and
Can
pink.
I shoot someone with it, please? Where'd you go? I want to shoot you. Ow!
Hey, Carrot, back off.
Oh.
Jordan, you might want to get out of there.
Sorry, I'm trying to get Mikey.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. You're still a coward.
Well, what do you expect?
Hey, you go into ball form when you're getting shot at. That's
what
not
do
fair.
you do too.
Yeah, that's because you're the one to do it first.
Nikki. I got a little present for ah. No, bad. No, Jordan! No double teaming.
Let's get him, Nikki.
I just want to kill somebody. And I ran out of ammo.
Really?
Ew.
Back, no! Ow, 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 ow.
Oh, I got another gun. Never
My
mind.
butt is twitching.
And with good reason.
Yeah, because the bullets going. Ah! I feel so used.
You have.
Damn, dude! What the? Jordan, no, no deleting vehicles. That is cheating. That you're talking about cheating.
You cheat the most, though.
Oh shit! I had to. It was so tempting.
It was so tempting, but yet you're gonna be dead. Cheater! You're such a treat. I found your sniper rifle. 8 good rounds, not bad.
Ow. Hell no!
You're a coward!
What do you expect?
Phase me, dang it!
No. Thank you.
Yes, please.
No. Thank you.
Yes, please.
No.
Yes.
Are you just screen looking? I know you. I don't know why, but this is entertaining to watch. Just watching a little ball just go across the screen and hear this wee.
Stay behind that rock, Nikki. Stay behind the rock.
Why? I'm a ball. Can't hurt me. I'm a ball. Wee. Wee. Oh, there you are. Hello.
Back up, back up! He's gonna shoot you!
I'm behind the rock now. Can't shoot me. Ooh. It's this way. Do-do-do-do.
Nikki, you're gonna lose this fight.
I can still punch you though. Shoot. It's just so entertaining.
This is mindless stupidity. This is talk about mindless.
Come on, dude. You can at least come out here and fix me.
Oh, John, that was cheap. That was low. I was gonna shoot you. Okay, wait. Where are you, Nikki? Where the hell are you? Wait, I'm looking for Nikki right now. Like, where the hell is she? I'm trying to help her out.
In what way? You're shooting her to death.
No, I'm gonna show her where to find a sniper rifle.
While I construct something on your property. Let's see. Let's see. Scenery. What is it? It's not sandbags. It's
It's a street cone. I don't know.
I'm trying to put that thing up like last time.
Okay, there she is. Where the hell? Okay, I know there's a sniper rifle.
Okay, is it objectives? No.
Jordan, you took all the sniper rifles, you prick. Where the hell is she? Oh, and I just ran right into a mine. I'm looking for
Structure. There it is. No.
Towards the ocean.
She is so gonna die.
Dish.
You know there's more to this place
Aha!
than just that, right?
Oh.
Creating this like last time. Putting the dish right into the wall. Then we could put weapons on. Shit. Now put discs like this everywhere. It will be perfect. Okay, tell me. I need to get all this in the wall so it's like stable. So, like the edges too. So you have to let me know. Like, should I turn it? Go up, down?
Well, just look at my screen, and I think you can pretty much figure it out.
Well, I had it at the best part yesterday.
You really don't know what the hell you're doing, do you, Nikki?
Yeah, I think it is.
I'm flying.
Oh yeah, that looks good. And I'll set something various.
Hold left trigger if you want to go faster.
I'm not doing it.
I can't go faster. I go
I
slower.
might have to set steps.
Left trigger.
If we want to keep this permanent, we're gonna have to set steps to get up there.
Oh, there it is.
There you go. And if you want to correct him, I don't care.
Yeah. God, my throat is killing me.
But there has to be at least one dish that has to
Okay,
be hidden.
there's other places. Follow. Ah! I'm trying to show you that there's other places on this map to just this place. You're so mean.
Okay, it's connected.
I moved.
You see this, Nikki? I'm placing the discs.
Where?
Everywhere. We're gonna place weapons on them, though.
Shit.
Oh, great sniping place. You know who's gonna kill you?
Yeah. I'm just. Ah! I want her to follow, but she keeps shooting me.
She's pissed.
You're not gonna shoot me? I knew it! I knew it. You were gonna shoot me. No.
She's going down to the tank.
Somebody's gonna blow up. Oh, that was mean. That was mean. Oh god, man, that was.
I'll go back to the disc.
So we go back to the.